This video is on UV-Vis spectroscopy. UV-Vis spectroscopy looks for absorption of conjugated species. The spectrum looks something like this, with the wavelengths and the intensity of absorption as your axes. When would this be useful? Well, let's show it by example. Say you have these two compounds here. One of them has a carbonyl conjugated with an alkene, and the other one only has an alkene and a carbonyl but no conjugation. Both of them are white powders, but if we do UV-Vis spectroscopy on them, we will notice that one of them has an absorption at 250 nanometers, whilst the other one does not have a peak. Well, now we can identify that the one with the absorption must be the one with the conjugated carbonyl. What this also tells us, though, is that if we have a highly conjugated species with multiple double bonds involved in conjugation, the wavelength at which it absorbs is probably going to be higher. And if it's in the visible region, it will be a colored compound. So for example, this species has an absorption peak at 480 nanometers, implying that blue light is being absorbed, making this compound orange in appearance.